Hi everyone, welcome to Essy Cooks. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a natural glass cleaner, window cleaner, whatever you want to call it, just using some ingredients you probably already have in the house. This is probably my fourth batch of just experimenting because I was finding with just the vinegar method or just the dish soap method that I was still having some streaks, which is what led me to rubbing alcohol, which is the best thing for making it streak free. The first thing we're going to need is some sort of spray bottle container. I just have this old one that had my leave-in conditioner in it, so I'm just going to be using that. I'm using distilled water here, rubbing alcohol, vinegar, and optionally a little bit of Dawn dish soap. So I'm going to get started because this is a smaller container. I'm going to be doing half a cup. You can just double the recipe if you want to fill up a bigger container. So I've got half a cup here. Just of distilled water. I've got a funnel just to make it, a little bit easier. And so now I have half a cup of rubbing alcohol. Oops. Rubbing alcohol is also so great for getting sticker off something. Playing a game over Christmas and got sticker all over the floor and I could not get the sticker off. Until I found this trick online. You just leave a little towel or paper towel soaked in rubbing alcohol on the area that has the sticker, just for a couple minutes, and then you wipe it away and it all comes off streak-free, mess-free. It's amazing. And now we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of just, plain white distilled vinegar. And then optionally, but I feel like it works so well, I love Dawn dish soap. This is also one of my favorite cleaning products. It works so well. This is the concentrated formula, so all you need are a few drops of this, like a 1/4 teaspoon. So I'm just gonna put a couple drops right in here. Perfect. Now that is filled right up to basically here. We want to be careful when we're mixing it just because the Dawn dish soap really foams up. So don't be shaking it up and down too much because you can get too many suds in there. Just kind of carefully mix that around. Now the product is ready to go. You can use it right away. You can see some smudges and some marks on the window here from my dog sticking her nose on the glass. So if you want to stay tuned, just stick around and watch me actually work this action in product, test this action out. So I'm just spraying it on the window. I know some people like to spray it on the rag rather than the window. So you do you, however you like to do that. But this, you just spray and wipe with your favorite clean rag and it comes out absolutely glistening. It is streak free. Make sure it's all dry before you're done with it. Rub it all in, make sure it's dry, but it is amazing. And here's another test. I mean, this is the best version yet. I'm just kind of spot shooting at some of these little watermarks. Oh my goodness, this rubbing alcohol formula, it works. I am very happy with how streak free. Not sure if you can tell, but that is glistening.